Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Avirup De, your stock market trading and investment coach, and this is your channel AVD FinServe. Let us start our today's episode of Stockexpress, where we are going to discuss about some new stocks today for our swing and positional training. We are also going to review the performance of the stocks which we analyzed in our last video, and accordingly we will update our short-term and mid-term portfolio which we have started building here in the Stockexpress playlist of our AVD FinServe YouTube channel, right? So without wasting further time, let us start today's discussion. But before that, please note whatever being discussed here is only for case study and education purpose. Do not apply this analysis into live market without having proper trainings, guidance and risk management protocols, right? Okay. So the first stock which we had discussed in our last video, that was HDFC, and another stock we discussed, that was Club Mahindra, right, MHRIL. And we also prepared a Stockexpress portfolio tracker, and this portfolio I have already uploaded to our Telegram channel. Whoever is part of that channel, I think they have already downloaded this portfolio and they are in line with me. Whatever we will be discussing here further, we will keep on updating it, right? And I will again, after our discussion today and whatever the updates we put here, I will be again uploading it to our Telegram channel, so you guys can download from there and you can maintain it at your end, right? Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's first review these two stocks and see how these are performing as on today, because last time we discussed that was on 14th April and today it is 19th April. Okay, so let us go quickly to chart of HDFC and then MHRL. Okay guys, so this is the chart of HDFC, you can see, okay, and we are on the daily chart. So last time what we discussed, that HDFC is coming for a retracement after a long run, and now it was into our watch list, right? We didn't take any entry, but we kept under observation that if this HDFC goes above 2400, this level, then it will be coming into our entry and we can take a buy action here, but that didn't happen. Okay, and we can see further HDFC is going further down, and this also we discussed that it may go further down little bit, and that is exactly happening. Then according to the today's position, what we'll do, we'll change our level which was 2400 to around this level. Okay, if any day in coming days HDFC makes some green candle and start its upwards journey, then we'll wait till this 2260 level. Okay, and then it will be our entry for HDFC. Okay, so let us quickly modify our template. Let us put it as 2260. Okay, and today is 19th April. We are making these remarks here. 14th April we started observing HDFC, and 19th April our observation is waiting for reversal signal, and the level we have already mentioned as 2260. Okay, so this is the update for HDFC. Let me quickly save it. Okay, next we will go to MHRIL. Okay, so we are into the chart of MHRIL, the daily chart. Okay, so let us quickly recap what we discussed on 14th April about this MHRIL. So on 14th April it was standing at this level, that is around 230, right, 246, 245 around, and we taken our entry at 246. Okay, and what we discussed that it should go up, and if it goes up, our first target will be around this level, that is 260, and if it again breaks this level, then our next target will be around 270, right, and that is what we mentioned here as our target, 270. We also mentioned our stop loss at 240, right, at this level, this low. Okay, so it worked as per our calculation and this stock went upside. So now we can easily see that it made our target at 270, and definitely when at 260 level it was going up, we would have trailed our stop loss. We would have brought our stop loss from this 240 level, the stop loss which we have mentioned 240, we would have brought it to the around level of 260 once our first target is met and the stock is going up, and around 270 level it went further up at 275, but at 270 level I think we would have booked our profit here, right, because that was our ultimate target. Okay, so we can mention this 270 is our exit point on 19th April as target met. Okay, let me make it center here. Okay, so 19th April our target is met for MHRIL and we are into profit. How much profit? Let us quickly calculate that. Our exit is this one minus our entry this one, so we made 24 points of profit here. Okay, and let me make it green. Whenever we will make any profit it will be in a green color, and whenever we will make any loss we will make it red. Okay, so now it is 24 point. Let's see quickly how much percentage it is. For that let me modify this formula further. Okay, out of 246, that is our entry, so this is the percentage in point, and let me put it the percentage sign, so it is 10%. Okay, so from 14th April, in fact 13th April, 14th April we discussed, but 13th April was the closing of last week. Okay, so 13th April till 19th April we have made 10% profit in this MHRIL stock. Okay, fine. Okay, let me quickly save this tracker and go back to our slides. Okay, so HDFC and Club Mahindra we have reviewed the stocks, these two stocks we discussed last week. Now it's time to go for some new stocks. Okay, so guys, the first stock which we will be discussing today, that is Airtel, Bharti Airtel, and let's go to the chart of Bharti Airtel now and see what is happening in the stocks. Okay guys, so we are the chart of Bharti Airtel and this is the daily chart. Okay, so Bharti Airtel is having a bull run from here, and in between in this range it has went up and down, kind of straight line the stock is moving. Okay, so now we can see it is in an important position where it has actually created a double top here. This level it has created double top, it is taking a retracement, and now we have to keep this under observation, because if it is start creating some volumes and with the green candles, then it will start the bull run again. And at this level you can see this 760 level is an important level for the stocks. Let me quickly open its weekly chart so that it will be more clear to you. So you can see this is a double top it has created, and now if it's going for retracement, and if it comes up, then at 760 level, this level, it is a very important level for Bharti Airtel, and if it goes above that, if it breaks this level, then there is a long road will be waiting for Bharti Airtel. Let's see the monthly chart here. Now you can see it will be a very upwards movement will be there after 760 level. Okay, right. So what we'll do, it will put it into our tracker. Bharti Airtel is our first stock for today, 19th April. Okay, let's make an entry quickly. 19th April. What is the stock name? Bharti Airtel. What is the current price we saw? It is at 719, right? Yeah, it's 719.50, and we are not taking immediate entry here. We are putting it into our observation, and our level would be 760, right? We have to keep our patience, and we should not be in a hurry. We have to keep on doing our analysis, and we have to be patient to get successful in stock market trading. And this is the way we have to record our observation, and whenever the suitable time comes, we have to make an entry with a stop loss and target. Okay, so this is all about patience game, and Bharti Airtel we have put under observation. We will be waiting to move it from 719 level till 760 level, and then it will be our entry. Okay, fine. So we have discussed about Airtel, that is our first stock for today, and our next stock will be Bank of Baroda. Okay guys, Bank of Baroda, we know it has recently taken over Vijaya Bank and Dena Bank. So all of these three banks are combining now for Bank of Baroda. Okay, so this is our second stock for Stockexpress, and we are going to analyze how this Bank of Baroda is doing in the market now. Okay, let's go to the chart of Bank of Baroda. By the way, have you joined our Telegram channel? No? Then I suggest to join the Telegram channel of AVD FinServe, because first of all, you are going to get daily live market updates and other important information there, and secondly, the joining is absolutely free. I have given the join in link in the description. If for any reason the link is not working, open your Telegram app, search for AVD FinServe, look for this logo and join. So this is the chart of Bank of Baroda guys, and we are on daily chart. So the current market price is 112.20, and it is in the similar formation or similar situation of Bharti Airtel. It has created a double top here and has come down for the retracement. Okay, so we have to wait for this stock to come back and start its bull run, and to reach at least this level. Okay, this is 120, right? Let us quickly see the weekly chart here. Bank Baroda. Bank of Baroda, this is 120 level. You can see guys how the stock has come down in the past, in the month of December till March, and how it started its bull run. Okay, let's quickly see the monthly chart also. Yeah, now see, this is an important level of 120. If it is breaks above 120, then it has a long way to go. The immediate target may be 135 or around 160 or even around this level. Okay, but that we'll see, if whether it is happening or not in coming days. But for now we can keep it under observation, because it is going to take support from its 50-day moving average. Yeah, if it takes support and goes upside, then we have to wait till 120 level, and if it goes beyond 120 level with good volume and with green signal or green candles, then we will immediately take an entry in Bank of Baroda, right? So this is our second stock for today. Let's make a quick entry here in our tracker. 19th April, stock is Bank of Baroda, and the current price is 112.20, and we have to wait till it comes at 120 level, right? Okay, good. Okay guys, so two stocks which we have included into our portfolio tracker, that is Airtel and Bank of Baroda, right? And we also discussed and reviewed our previous stocks, that is SDFC, MHRIL. SDFC we have modified our entry and is still under observation. MHRIL we have booked 10% profit, right? And this Bharti and Airtel and Bank of Baroda we added today on 19th April. And on next video we will be again discussing all the stocks which we have put in Stockexpress portfolio. Okay, and one more small input for all of you here who is following this channel and this playlist and also this Telegram channel. I will be trying to bring this video twice in a week, first in Tuesday and secondly on Thursday. Okay, so Tuesday and Thursday I will try to bring this Stockexpress portfolio building exercise and how to do swing trading, how to do positional trading. All these learnings we will be getting on every week's Tuesday and Thursday in our channel AVD Finserv. Okay, guys, that's all for today. Hope you are liking these episodes of Stockexpress. If yes, then please like and share this video as much as possible. Also click the subscribe button so that you get this channel listed right there into your YouTube list, and it will be easy for you to find me out whenever you open YouTube next time. You can follow us on Facebook page and join Telegram channel by searching AVD Finserv. Links are also given in the description. If anyone wants to open Demat account for trading, please find the link of Zerodha in the description, right? Okay guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned with AVD Finserv, earn financial freedom and live a better life. Thank you very much.